Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another function of Python, which is GCD. GCD is a function to calculate the greatest common divisor. It's a mathematical function which is used to calculate the greatest common divisor. So, to use this function, first of all, we need to import one module. So, here on line number 6, I am importing the math module. Once you have imported the math module, then later on you can easily utilize this function throughout your program. So to explain this function, here I have noted down couple of scenarios with different input and output parameters. I will show you how it is working. So let's focus on the first scenario. In first scenario, we are using result variable in order to store the output which is retrieved by math.gcd function, where math is a module name and GCD is a function name. So if you take your mouse cursor here, it will show that it is a greatest common divisor. As an argument, we are providing two values here, 24 and 36. So what it will do? It will calculate the greatest common divisor for 24 and 36. So let's verify the output. Here I will run the command python space session 94.py. If I hit enter, you will see firstly it is printing 12 for the first scenario. Now in second scenario we are using the same syntax, just change the value. Means previously we were passing the positive value, but this time passing both value as negative. So if you calculate the yes, you can calculate the greatest common divisor for negative arguments as well. As you see, for the second scenario it is printing the value 12. Now look at the third scenario. In third scenario, we are passing one value as positive and one value as negative. You can change any value. It is not needed that you have to keep only these 24 and 36. You can use any number. But the thing what I am explaining right now is, like, you can pass the value with both negative signs, means both the value negative, or you can pass one value positive and one value negative as well. Okay, so for third scenario also it is printing 12. Now look at the fourth scenario. Here we just change the value. So I make first argument as 240 and second argument as -2. So when we calculate the greatest common divisor for this value, the output is coming as 2. Okay. So yeah, these are some common scenarios which explains the purpose of this GCD function. So whenever there is a requirement where you want to calculate the greatest common divisor, in that case you can easily utilize this GCD function. So yeah, that's all for this session. I hope it is clear to all of you. In next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.